All right, welcome to Shitcoin Talk, episode 34, the Bitcoin Cash episode. I am your host at Dumb on. Oh wait, I need to send a tweet out. Still, yeah, introduce yourselves. This is crazy.
Did you go?
We're all tired. It's okay.
Is it me?
Yeah, go
you,
for
buddy.
it, man. Yeah, you gotta go for it.
Yo guys, Bro Digi here. Excited to be on this live episode for the Bitcoin Cash. Chilling here on holiday, just in a hotel lobby, but I thought I'd make it for you guys, see what goes down today. Handing it over to NeedACoin.
What's up, boys? I'm NeedACoin. I'm NeedACoin on Twitter also. I'm just excited to see what the fuck happens after $4 billion gets airdropped. Let's pass this off to Wood.
Hey, what's up? I'm Woody. This early in the morning, I'm just woo, and I'm excited to go out with you guys in the morning to see how this all goes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I checking me out. Chain Dynamics on Twitter, doing podcast with a lot of altcoin information weekly.
Yep, I actually included you in the tweet twice, so you're getting twice the shout out. Yep, no problem. It's on there twice. Yeah, so it looks like we have about 10 minutes until the Bitcoin Cash hard fork. I have no idea what's going to happen. Yeah.
No problem. Like, I'm not here. I'm the chocolate everything.
Oh yeah, Android. What's up?
It's early, man. It's early, Android.
No, it's not. It's 2 p.m. This is perfect.
2 p.m. is perfect for you, not for me.
Sorry,
Man.
Amber. I would have passed it off to you. I thought you couldn't talk.
Nah, it's fine.
Yeah, whatever. Now it pissed him off. Now it, damn it. All right. Well, Bitcoin is sitting at $2,700, I guess, on the American exchanges, and $2,800 on Chinese exchanges. So that's still up there. Not really giving a hoot.
Yeah, Ethereum's looking good today. It's up almost 10% versus USD.
Yeah, it seems like a lot of those larger cap coins are starting to feel the good effects.
Yeah, man.
Should be interesting. We're gonna have a new top 5 coin in a few minutes here.
Yeah, I'm excited to see which exchange will list it first.
It was Yobit, man. I'm telling you.
Oh yeah, they already did the airdrop yesterday morning.
Yeah.
I was surprised. I was kind of pissed off because they had like dust Bitcoin in there, and I got like dust Bitcoin Cash. But hey,
Yeah, same here.
whatever.
My first little scraping of Bitcoin Cash. Like, here you go.
Yep.
So somebody was talking about that really interesting idea. I thought of at that point, because they did it so early or weird, whatever. You could have sold your Bitcoin Cash for Bitcoin, traded your Bitcoin for another altcoin, sent that altcoin over to another exchange that was going to do the crediting, and then change back to Bitcoin. I'm sure some people managed to do that. I didn't have anything significant enough to make it worth my time.
Yeah, I had like 38,000 satoshis or something like that. I was like, God damn it, man!
Yeah.
I should have known Yobit was gonna do something like that.
That's interesting though. Like Yobit always has some interesting door opened up, so I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of people played that altcoin angle.
Yeah, of course. I should have expected it from them. Shame on me.
So we've only got 3 tokens using the ticker BCC right now. Just so everyone knows.
Only 3. Yeah. Is it? They got so Bitfinex, they listed Bitcoin Core.
Yeah, they over there BCC is Bitcoin Core, exactly.
And then we got BitConnect.
BitConnect, yep. And then Bitcoin Cash now.
Yeah.
A lot of money in the BCC industry.
Yeah.
Yeah, that acronym could be whatever you want. Damn.
I'm still surprised there's like today right now where I'm just looking at Bittrex and there is a lot of red out there still. So it's going to be interesting to see over the next hour or so how many of these do the flip here, going from red to green, because we're starting to see a little bit of buy support on some of these adding up. I think more or less people were just putting in buy low bids, hoping that they get hit. And, you know, if not, then they end up with BCC. So whatever, right? But we'll see what happens in an hour when this all kind of switches over.
Yeah, it'll be really fascinating to see if, you know, if that moment in time is significant, like we can see something occur. It'll be really cool.
I was kind of thinking of the ETF when you had that crazy candle go up to like 1,300 and then right back down to, you know, 900 or whatever. Like, I don't know. I'm just kind of waiting for Bitcoin to either take a huge dump right now or like do something crazy, but maybe it won't.
Well, it is a lot of money that is being airdropped here. So you know, you got to kind of expect that there will be a lot of people who just take the cash and run here. So either way, for the next few days, I expect on the BCC and BTC markets, there will be a lot of action because of all the free money given. Kind of curious. I wouldn't mind like it to find a level and hit a sideways as an altcoin guy. We've always had good success when altcoins started to go sideways.
Yeah.
Or sorry, when Bitcoin started to go sideways. So yeah, I think after this, if we could kind of find an area and hang around there, that'd be really key for altcoins.
Yeah, that was when we started to track a really strong correlation between Bitcoin going up and alts going down was during that big last sideways trend.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
We saw 1 week of that so far in our tracking, which was just the previous one. But a bunch of the weeks before that, while it was going up, we totally lost that pattern. So I'm interested to see if that ever returns and if it has any significance when it does too.
Yeah.
Because it used to
Loans
be,
are getting insane here.
oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's what right now loans on Poloniex, there's 1,427 Bitcoin at 5% for a demand. So man. That's pretty insane.
You want to borrow any Bitcoin, Dom?
I've been giving it out to people if they want it. And so far they haven't taken or given it back. So not yet. I don't have a really good website to. I mean, I guess I don't know.
I think the majority of the websites are down right now.
That's what I noticed.
Yeah, traffic is a little insane at the moment.
I liked that clip of Charlie Lee on the news we saw yesterday. Did you guys check that out at all?
I didn't see. I saw that he was on the news, but I didn't.
It was really. I'd never seen people talking about altcoins like that on like mainstream media. So that was really interesting and fun, I thought. Made me smile.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Yeah, and then go ahead, man.
Oh, I said all I was doing yesterday was setting alert after alert because I expected a lot of them to be going off today.
Yeah. In which direction did you think that?
Well, I was kind of hoping I'd wake up to some mad panic dumps, just some absolute idiots out there who just gave up on life. But that didn't happen. So I guess we're just gonna kind of see how this rolls out. I'm hoping Trex is kind of close to their time frame because that's coming up here right away.
Yeah. Yeah, I have no idea how to check when there's actually the fork. So we got 4 minutes until they said it's supposed to happen. But someone playing the drums?
Sounds like it.
I think it's the music in the lobby. Let me move away.
What is this? Is like these are like the war drums or something like that.
That's some commitment by Digi though, making it out today.
Thank you guys. Yeah, no, it's a big day today. Very big day today. I didn't even realize. I completely forgot when I booked my holiday. Only after I was like, oh shit, man, how am I away for August 1st? Like the biggest day in history, right?
Oh yeah, dude, it's so weird because it's not like Ethereum forking, or it's not like some ICO or some you know, something. It's like actually Bitcoin is getting some attention. It's pretty weird.
Yeah, DT, you fucked up. My holidays were over yesterday.
Yeah, you just got off vacation yesterday, so you kind of got thrown right into it. Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm just waiting.
So how you going? No, don't. Like
the candles on Finex are amazing right now. Actually, I was just coming over to see what the hell is going on over here. Yeah, pretty epic. Price is starting to come up, but it's pretty insane. That's for sure.
Yeah, you're getting some $50 swings here and $40-$50 swings. It's getting a little dicey.
Yesterday on the Canadian exchange, Bitcoin was actually overpriced by about $300 Canadian. So it was actually BCC was already priced in at the Canadian exchanges last night.
Oh, wow. Shit.
Oh man, I didn't. Yeah, I hope. Yeah, Bittrex will probably do a. I'm hoping that they do a BCC USDT market. I don't know if they will or not.
Yeah,
are they guaranteed a market?
No, they haven't committed to the market yet. But I think it's just to leave the they got to have both options open for themselves.
But are they giving the BCC to people that have their coins on exchange?
Yeah, they're committed to at least allowing withdrawals. They said.
That's good.
Yeah,
I think whoever lists it first is going to get some pretty amazing volume, but mostly dumping volume, I'm assuming.
Yeah, I was just going to say you're kind of going to want the first exchange to be a place where people generally buy coins, because if it's just some random place for people to send coins over to dump, you know, that could get ugly.
Yeah. Yeah,
just send $4 billion all to the same place to just shit all over the place. Yeah, that's not good.
Yeah, you're right. These candles on Finex are getting pretty crazy too. Looks like we're at the moment in time when they said they're forking. So,
oh shit!
I didn't get any party poppers or like kazoos or anything like that. I should have. It was like, dude, jazz hands, like, congratulations!
You need some early morning shots, man.
Yeah, yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna celebrate by grabbing another cup of coffee.
Yeah, it's 5 o'clock somewhere, man. It's 5 o'clock here. I should be taking some shots. Hell no. All right, well, I don't know if the troll box, if you guys have any info of a site that tells us when it's forked. But I can't. I don't know. So we have not really any plan for the show. We're just kind of bullshitting until
waiting the time out, see what happens.
Yep.
Talk louder, Ambroid.
Better now? Shoot this conference everywhere.
Really well.
The people in the background are really loud.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't hear you, Ambroid.
Damn it,
Tell him
Ambroid.
to be quiet.
Yeah, tell him Bitcoin is forking. That'll
Show
shut him
some
up.
fucking respect.
For the king. Man. Oh, man. No, I don't need a time and date thing to tell me that it's 5:22 in the morning. I need a thing that tells me if there's a fork of. I thought there was a fork thing, a website that showed if there was a. Oh, I don't know. Fuck it. A moment of silence.
Yeah.
I was just looking at the market caps, and like right now, the market cap, we're sitting at of crypto as a whole, $92 billion. So be curious if we see that push back above $100 billion today after this is all said and done.
For sure.
Yeah.
I also noticed the volume sitting at $3.2 billion, which is pretty good for Bitcoin. We've been a lot lower than that lately. Probably all the scared people not wanting to do too much, but Ethereum actually has more volume than Bitcoin as of today.
Yeah. That's pretty crazy. Yeah, Ethereum got a nice little bump last night. Zcash, it's kind of weird. Zcash and Ethereum, they kind of follow each other, so they both kind of had a little spike yesterday at the same time. Thought that was pretty interesting.
Wow, yeah, Ethereum does have really high volume today.
Yeah, over $1 billion. Just a couple bucks.
Yeah, not a big deal. Oh yeah, well that's the aren't those the Korean exchanges or something? Bithumb.
Yeah, I think that's Korean.
I don't know.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
can you hear me now? Is it okay?
Yep, I hear
We
you a lot
beauty,
better,
buddy.
man.
Hey, man.
Yeah, I just took an empty meeting room.
The
Nice.
other Ambroid is stuck on a crotch shot.
Yeah, you got two going
You're
there.
frozen on a crotch shot.
Yeah, that's when
Nice.
my internet disconnected because I do have.
Shitcoin talk. There's a picture of Ambroid's crotch.
So what I wanted to say is extremely thin order books on the exchanges, so I'm just expecting some huge wicks to both sides.
Yep.
And already OKCoin has dropped quite a bit.
Yeah. The swings on Finex about $40 to $60 on the 5-minute candles, even. So
Yeah,
Yeah, since we started the show, OKCoin has dropped significantly.
nice.
It's more in line with everything else now, is where it's at. But
I wonder how
Yeah.
many millionaires put in like $10 million last night, hoping to wake up to an extra $1 million today.
Fuck, I have no idea.
Also, as we've been talking, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but like so many of these altcoins have went green over the last little bit. Like Trex basically just split half and half now.
yeah, Polo's really green right now too. All of a sudden,
Yeah.
Oh man. Alts are kind of going a little crazy.
the love is in the air.
Yeah, man. I don't know. Everyone seems like it seems like everything is gonna be great, and then I'm just waiting for something to not be so great.
Plus, where's our Bitcoin cash, yo?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I
LTC
don't.
short
I was
liquidations on whale calls.
Yeah, I was thinking about like dumping the Bitcoin Cash for the tip jar, but I figure that, like, I don't know if there's a liability there with the private keys and all that BS, so I probably won't do it. Probably do it after the show or something, but
I'm sure there'll be a safe time to do it.
yeah, maybe
Once
not when
everything's
I'm
settled.
live on video.
Live on video early in the morning.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I need a website that tells me if there's a fork. That'd be great.
No chain split detected. BTC fork monitor is up. CoinDance is not responding until timeout, I think.
Yeah.
Blockchains is also down.
Yeah, everyone's refreshing the pages on those, trying to.
Couple altcoins I'll mention while we just sit here. CFI it had a big dip the other day. That'll be one that I'm watching here for recovery. Music coin fell from 1,000 satoshis to 500 satoshis.
Damn.
That'll be one that I'm going to be following today. BAT, Civic, Edgeless, obviously with the announcement of the platform coming out at sometime in this third quarter here. So there's a lot of projects to be looking at for when this happens. Safe places and stuff. Obviously, right there, I just named a bunch of Ethereum assets. I'm also looking at the Waves assets right now.
Yeah.
Because nobody is fucking looking at the Waves assets right now. I can say it 100 times on Twitter and nobody's still looking.
Yeah, Ethereum is kind of it's definitely pumping, kind of going a little nuts. So I wonder if all those assets will finally recover and follow it as well.
Did you what the fuck again? Do you have a dog beside you or something?
Those are the war drums.
The time is soon.
We're going into battle, boys. Against the big blockers. So, like, what is your guys' opinion on Bitcoin Cash?
I don't even know what it is.
For me, it's another tool right now that I'm gonna hopefully use to my benefit. Honestly,
yeah,
I don't really care much about the political part. I hope that I think it's a nice opportunity for both sides to prove themselves through their code and through their wallets or whatever power they have. Because now both chains will exist and they can do less arguing maybe and more showing.
Yeah.
I'll try and do this to the beat of the war drums. No, I don't think that it's that big of a deal personally. I look at Bitcoin Cash as just another altcoin. We have lots of coins with Bitcoin in the name that didn't piss people off before. Now it does.
Yep.
I don't look at it anything but another altcoin that's going to be traded just like any other coin, right? I don't see anything special about it. Bitcoin's still Bitcoin. It'll do good off the start. It'll be worth a lot of fucking money. Roger has a lot of money, so.
Yep. That's for sure. And you're basing that 4 billion off of it just being like 10% of Bitcoin, like kind of airdropped at like $280 or something like that. Is that what you're?
Yeah, 4.5 billion would be if it was airdropped at $270.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, people I've been saying that their price will probably be correlated with the amount of hash power that goes to one chain and the other. So if they're expecting 10% of the hash power to go to Bitcoin Cash, then the price would effectively be 10% of Bitcoin's.
Yeah, that would put it right below Ripple. And it would be sitting around double the market cap of Litecoin at the current moment. Yep. So it'd be new fourth place, like I said with earlier. There's definitely a lot of room for it to move because of it being free money, right? So it'll
Right.
be. I don't think anyone has a good idea of where this is gonna land, but top 5 would probably be a pretty safe estimate.
Yeah. BitcoinForkMonitor.com. See that website? Oh, there he goes. No chain split detected. I wonder if it already died.
I know Bitcoin is well, it's down
It's-
again.
There he goes.
These minute candles, they're exciting.
Yeah. Yeah, no joke. Yeah, I'm just waiting for it to rip right down into the volume bars. Like Ethereum is going up quite a bit.
BCC Explorer is down.
Yeah. These I don't know. So does that mean it's gonna have to be like a blockchain cache.info or something like that?
They have. I was just checking that out actually because I was thinking maybe we can see if there'll be a divergence in the block numbers at some point. If we can check out the Bitcoin Cash Block Explorer.
Yeah.
So if I went to the Bitcoin Talk announcement for Bitcoin Cash, and they have a link to a block explorer in there, but it's not actually working for me at the moment.
Wow, the Bitcoin blocks are weird. The last 2 blocks, one of them is an hour ago, and then the next one is 18 minutes ago. So these block times are really, really long.
Yeah. Also, the diamond day countdown is already done. So
Yeah.
we forked according to that. I don't know how accurate it is.
I think they were going by blocks, but I mean there's like a 40-minute block time, the last block. So I wonder if that's throwing it off.
Snapshot is complete at Bittrex. Your new BCC balance will appear in your account shortly from Bittrex.
Oh shit!
All right.
Good job, Bittrex.
Good job, Bittrex.
Bitfinex is
Boom!
going
In a
down.
matter of minutes, CFI up 25%, Edge up 25%. Enjoy your 10%, kids. We got an airdrop of Lumen yesterday too.
Yeah, it was a few days ago. They airdropped 16 billion stellar lumens.
Yeah,
so kind of bad timing for them, I feel like, because I feel like everyone. I didn't look at the chart actually to see if it got dumped to hell or not, but that was free money to dump if you were looking to get Bitcoin Cash or something.
Cool. Well, let's wait till this starts appearing when you guys see something come through the balance. I guess you really should have been able to just see that in the Bitcoin price that it had happened. Hey.
Yeah. It's I don't know.
Now to the altcoin action.
Yeah, Ethereum is giving no fucks right now. 0.081.
Go.
Up 20%.
Yep. Yeah, I figured
boy.
that Ethereum would probably eat some of that market cap too, just because. I mean, it's not. I don't know that it's a safe bet, just because of all the stuff that's been happening. But it's a lot safer than a hard fork situation right now. So.
Yeah, for me, the assets were so tempting with all this happening. Just having having a network that doesn't had FUD under it was very attractive.
Yep.
Waves was a great choice as well.
Is Bittrex loading for you guys? It seems like it's pretty slow for me right now.
Everybody just clicked over.
Yep. When we said everyone's, oh shit, let's go. It's sitting at 250 viewers. So I wonder who else is doing a talk show right now.
Nobody, man. I think we're it.
Carpenoctum.
Yeah, we got
the show online.
Oh, Carpe Noctem. What's up? Shout out. I don't have a link or anything, but
Yeah, if you guys see anything in the troll box here, feel free. I'm watching.
yeah, I've been looking at Trollbox trying to see if there's what's going on.
There or not?
Digi's letting us know it's time.
It's time.
Maybe he's communicating in Morse code or something. Like he can't talk.
He's like, save me, help me. I've been
Is that a private key in Morse code?
yeah.
Hate you with some wave assets in the troll box here. I don't know. I like Waves Go. I like Primal Base Token.
Yep.
Crypto books.
Miner
Ripto Bucks is
rewards.
nice.
Ripto Bucks. Yeah, Ripto Bucks is another gem. I also like that Mercury. There's 5 assets on the Waves platform that I really enjoy. I think only one of them, Ripto Bucks, is the only one that you can, and I guess Mercury you can get on exchanges as well.
Yep. Over at Cryptopia.
The other ones you got to use the Waves wallet if you want to get those coins.
Yeah, I see a lot of complaints about that exchange on Waves. People
Yeah, I've
say
had
it's
no
slow.
complaints. Like personally, it's just I've used it a few times now. You have to have patience. Bids don't hit in a matter of seconds unless you're market buying and stuff. So yeah, you definitely have to have patience when you get into those assets.
Yep, I agree. Yeah, it just kind of, it's pretty new, so there's not really any markets. But Cryptopia is actually been listing those assets, so good job to them, kind of pioneering the whole thing. All right,
Yeah, I think that's a huge market potential personally to start adding these Waves tokens. Whatever.
Kind of like Liqui.
Yeah, exactly.
Liqui just
whoever does that.
Yeah, even though Liqui did, I mean, they got decent volume for a brand new exchange that no one's ever heard about for a while there. So
that was pretty. I mean, their timing coming out was
pretty damn good.
Yeah, it was good for them. It was like right in the middle of that bull run, and then they had that nice niche too, like you guys are talking about.
Yeah, and their exchange is just kind of nice looking too, and it's all just kind of flowed together pretty nicely for them. So
yeah, it's got good volume still too. $7 million. It's above yo shit, and that's all that matters. So
yeah. Does anybody know? I should just go look. If they had a block at what time they were splitting. Bitcoin ABC. And what is up with Bitcoin ABC? Is that it's their code or something like that, or
that's the name of the software client? So yeah, Dom, if you check out the Bitcoin Cash Bitcoin Talk announcement,
I'm on there right now.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so there's a block explorer in there, but I've only got it to load once. But I figure if it does load well, then if there's if they're at a different block height than Bitcoin, then that would be interesting at least.
Yeah. Oh, here. Oh, what the? Whoa. Bitcoin Cash block. Server returned error 500.
Yeah, that's what I keep getting to.
Crying emoji. Try again? No.
Oh, it got it that time.
So as fast as I can. Here we go.
This loaded up and it says that the top block here says 478552, and then the top one on blockchain.info
553
says 4553. So I don't know if that actually means anything.
Oh boy. Check those. I'm checking my Bittrex account, please. Every site is kind of loading pretty slow. It's kind of weird.
Yeah,
It's like-
Kraken's down right now.
It's like everyone wants free money. Bitfinex kind of recovering up back at 2,700.
What other
It's
industry
it's
gets
like a
given free money?
Yeah,
yeah,
I know.
that's what I was just gonna say. It's like a year's worth of lottery winnings all in one day.
Yeah, for real.
Like,
And everybody wins. Like you get
Yeah.
money and you get money and man, I want to see that that whale. What's that whale's name on Bitcoin Talk was trying to get Roger Ver to do a 1-for-1 swap, like his Bitcoin for their Bitcoin. I can't remember the thread, but they were talking about trading like 100,000 of each.
yeah, I remember that
to each
thread.
other. It's loaded. I think that's the guy's poster's name on there. But
Yeah.
I wonder if Roger Ver will actually do that. I think he'd rather keep it so he can dump it on the market if he wanted to. So
Yeah, I mean, I think they'll probably play the crap out of the market from both a mining and any other side they can.
yeah, are you guys looking to dump as soon as you can, or are you? Because it's the airdrop kind of situation. It's kind of like Ethereum Classic when everyone dumped the first day and then Barry Silbert tweeted about it the next day and pumped it.
Yeah, you know, one of my things over time has really become to never completely, totally close a position. So I'll probably at least have something left, but I definitely am going to, want to get some free Bitcoin.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so in order to get BCC, that would imply that I had BTC left over, which I did not. So,
so you should just be back in bed. You don't even.
well, no, see, because if you look at the markets, we've got some runners here. So that 10% didn't mean too much to me. And what I mean, if you look right now, we got CFI now 31%, BATS hitting over 22%, right? So Edge is already up 25%. So I wasn't overly concerned with the BCC. I also expect a lot of action because it being so much free money that I figured I would definitely have an opportunity within the next week if I did so choose to get some of those coins. But for right now, it was strictly, I was just focused on altcoins. I didn't really care about this coin too much, to be honest. I was more or less just using the drama as a good opportunity to gain more coins. That's really all I cared about.
Yep, it's good. It's a good opportunity too.
No chain split detected. What if it's just like a troll? They're just like, we're just kidding. We're not gonna fork.
I've just got a small amount of BTC for the split, just to keep a bunch as a souvenir.
Yep.
Not really planning to do anything with it yet. We'll see. Yeah, I think these couple of days will prove to be very revealing as to what will happen throughout autumn.
Yeah.
Whether we get seasonal bearish market like we did in 2013 and then pump into the 2017 winter with a new all-time high around, or if we just keep going right after this because it proves to be bullshit or something,
Right.
No reason to panic right now. Just wait. You should already be in positions now. Selling at this moment right now as we speak is absolutely irresponsible. So
yeah, in a situation like this, you got to stick to your plan. I mean, if you have, you should have a plan.
I was just going to say that I know there's a lot of people who went into this with absolutely no idea what you're going to do.
Yeah.
Even if you do pivot and you go away from your plan, you should always have an idea of how you want things to look.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, my plan. I'm just gonna just watch it. I mean, I want to see markets open up. I'm not planning on selling. I mean, I'm just not. I just want to watch and see how it goes. It seems like those airdrops have really bitten people that sold on the first day, just because in the short term and the long term, like Decred. I mean, if you held that airdrop for however long, you could have got some serious money from that.
So I seen Julian just tweeted that it should be about 6 blocks from when it was expected is when you should see the BCC.
Nice. So they already did
Cool.
the airdrop or the snapshot, so that means you can spend your Bitcoin now. That's what people are doing, I'm assuming.
Still a lot of good markets that are down right now. If you're following this closely right now, there's definitely plays on the table.
It's like we've probably erased like days, at least 24 hours worth of alt losses in the last 20 minutes or so.
Yeah, roughly, eh? There's still some coins that are down a lot, like Hacker Gold is still under $1 million market cap. That came down quite a bit, 30% roughly, give or take. So that'll be another one to watch over the course of the day here.
Yeah, everyone's on Bittrex right now. That thing everything is just going so slow. It's like there's going to be a hard fork of Bitcoin or something.
That would never happen, dude.
No, dude, it kind of kind of exploded in everyone's face. Like the BIP 91 or whatever was like, okay, that's weird, but we just kind of made that pretty easy. And then I saw the Bitcoin ABC thing like 2 weeks ago or something, and I was just like, oh man, so we're really doing it. Man, what a day.
What a day. Well, it's not even 7 where I am. Not even 7 in the morning.
Yeah, I don't know if I should go back to bed or maybe I should just get up like a normal person.
Balance is live
Stay
on
awake.
Trex, folks.
All right.
BCC is live on Trex.
Thank you.
Seriously?
I don't fuck around,
Nice.
man. Now you just gotta be able to get into Trex and
Yeah, I know. I try to log in. It's like invalid username and password. I'm like, oh yeah.
how many people just hit the refresh button?
Yeah, I know. Seriously,
Got one
stop.
over here.
Stop. Let me have my turn. Don't you know me? I'm the host of Shitcoin Talk. Nah, fuck. So does that mean there was actually it forked now? I mean, if they gave us our money,
It's
then
over, my man. It's in
Damn
your
it.
account. It's done.
Bittrex, dude. I really appreciate that. And that's very nice
Yeah,
of you.
shout out Trex, man. You guys did good. Congrats, Richie, on the new kid and still being able to perform.
He should name his kid Bitcoin Cash. I mean, I probably already got a name, but
It's probably all right, guy. But if you don't, go back and redo that one.
yeah, you can.
The initials are guaranteed BTC.
Yeah. Dude, I cannot get into Bittrex right now.
Bother.
I just want to see.
It's not like I held any BTC on Trex.
Yeah,
Oh,
I wouldn't have nothing to look at, so
It comes
I'm
up as
kinda-
BitConnect on ZTrader. Nice.
I wouldn't be surprised at all, like Wood said earlier, with the confusion of 3 different BCCs. I wouldn't be surprised to see some price movement on the wrong coins.
Yeah.
Wait, what even is Bitcoin Connect? That thing kind of just I don't even know. It's like a pretty high market cap, but
Yeah, it's Livecoin, Nova Exchange. Those are the two main places that's trading, eh?
Yeah, it's wild. See, Livecoin, I don't know. I've been to their website a few times. I don't know if you guys have. It just looks that guy on the homepage, and he's like pointing up. There's a huge
Oh,
arrow
yeah.
going up. They're like, "Send us your money. You could be
That guy's
rich." Like,
hilarious.
I know. I'm just like, I don't know about this. Like,
I do some trading there.
Yeah,
It
okay,
works. It works good.
all right.
I've never had any, but I mean, they're relatively new exchange in the scheme of things, so I don't know.
yeah, you
Yeah,
can
just-
find some pretty good price discrepancies over there sometimes.
I've been doing captchas for the last like 5 minutes trying to log into Bittrex. Like, do they get
Why aren't
paid?
you logged in already? What
What?
the fuck are you doing with your? Why aren't
It
you
just-
logged in already?
Because it just keeps
Like,
giving
I'm-
me invalid use. I don't know. I'm probably
I
typing my
never
password in
like
wrong.
I never logged out. I'm just in.
You're in. Fuck. I don't know. Does that mean
Sock
they open
puppet
a
dude, show yourself. Who are you? Sock puppet
Yeah.
guy. Fucker. Show yourself.
BCC is? I hope they open the market like right now.
Altcoins are fucking just running. Oh, this is a beautiful thing.
Wow, yeah.
Bitcoin recovering a bit as well.
Damn. Yeah. It's a pretty good day for alts.
Let's
Only
go.
5 coins on Poloniex that are down.
Ooh,
And
that
all,
was
all of them are down, or well, the highest one is down 6%. That's Steam back dollars.
This is that one moment where you take a week's worth of shitting from fucking idiots on Twitter just for this one moment right here. So
Yeah.
let me just bathe in this for a minute. And brood
Wait,
on
you're
some
gonna
altcoins.
bathe in shit?
Yeah, I'm just gonna bathe in shit
Yes.
coins.
Dude, you needed help.
I want to see some fuller recovery from last week's prices, though. There's still a lot of room. Anything specific you guys are looking at for altcoins?
I don't know.
not at the moment for me. I'm interested in that new the shadow coin swap particle that just got listed on Bittrex, but it's pretty new market, so
Yeah. I was interested to see how the like Omni and Counterparty, because they both kind of took a hit with all this drama, and I'm wondering how they're gonna react to this news and stuff. So I mean, Omni is down quite a bit from it's like 0.011. So I mean it's kind of taken a hit the last few weeks.
What about you, Wood?
I just buy whatever you're buying, need a coin. No, I've got such a huge smattering of bags that like right now what I do is I'm looking through and seeing what's going up the most, the quickest, and kind of deciding how to exit positions or make small moves, basically.
Yeah.
But like I mentioned, Particle's a new one on Bittrex that I'm interested in just because it is the swap of that shadow coin project. But it's such a new market that I like wait to see how it goes for a little bit, mostly.
Swap.
Yeah, roughly $5 a coin right now for Particle there.
So it's the same dev team from Shadow, just swap into a new code base or something like that, or?
Oh, so they kind of had this thing where they were going to make a market for a long time, and they were calling it, I think, Umbra at the time. But I think mostly they kind of needed to they rebranded because they kind of are doing it more of a non-dark market, let's say,
Right.
time around. So it has like a different, more friendly sort of look to it. I feel like with this new branding, it's kind
Yeah.
of
The the funniest one, I thought it kind of goes along the same lines as Cloak Coin, and they wanted to be called One Currency or something, and their logo is all rainbow and stuff. Like, hey, come here! Like, we were Cloak Coin. Like, Cloak Coin is just kind of like this dark hooded coin. It's like just kind of hiding underneath all the rainbows and stuff. Like, that's funny.
What are you looking at, GrowDigi?
I was just going to say nothing much at the moment, really. I left my rigs mining this new Signatum coin before I went on holiday. Looked kind of decent, so new algo, decent dev, had a really high rate for the first couple of days and weeks as well. Hoping on that. I know the price has dropped quite a bit, but I believe the halving's coming up quite soon, so kind of hoping on that one. And mining some of this bridge coin as well. Bitcoin Dad mentioned this recently, and not so kind of keen on this one as well. From that, just kind of been away, not been able to log into the exchanges. All I've got is just a load of alerts, which is kind of bought a lot of stuff. So kind of a lot of similar lines with you, a lot of waves and
Yes, so many interesting script coins came out lately.
Yeah.
Name a few.
Signatum.
No pressure.
Nah. What else? I remember I liked a couple, but I couldn't get in on them because I don't have a script miner yet. So
you got one on the way?
Yeah, I'm waiting for one.
Nice. Man, there's been a lot of ASICs that have come out. I mean, the Bicals, they got bought up real quick. I was kind of pissed off about that. Who had Bitmain had some sort of X11 ASIC that just came out too? That thing was like a piece. That thing was like, what was the stats on that one? It was crazy, I think.
It basically makes Bicals obsolete.
Oh yeah, dude, that thing was like giga hashes, like. And I don't know. I was
the Bitmain one is 15 gigahash.
15 gigahash, dude. For like,
yeah.
Oh man, that was like, I saw that. I was like, I plugged those numbers into Coin Wars, and it's like, holy shit, dude! Like, you make
and the IB links are 13 to 14, somewhere in there, but the hardware is more expensive. But they also shipped sooner. So I'm hoping to get my ROI before the Bitmain D3s even ship.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, the hash rate, 15 gigahashes at 1200 watts. That's fucking crazy. Because I know that like Cannabis Coin, I don't even know that their whole, I don't know what their hash rate is, the net hash, but
you can basically just destroy the difficulty on
their net hash is
coin.
100. Oh yeah, dude. Their net hash is 162 gigahashes. So you're automatically 10% of the whole networks, that's pretty crazy, man.
Yeah, and when they first come out, we worked out that it would take like only 500 machines or something to kind of be the equivalent of the Dash network.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy when they come out.
Yeah, like the stats on at 1200 watts, those stats are amazing. Like you can mine Mu or monetary unit, you could mine Dash, oh my god. I was like,
what if I tell you that the IB links eat only 800 watts?
That's pretty amazing too. Yeah. I was like, oh man, I gotta buy one, and then they make you make an account on Bitmain, and then you have to like verify with your phone number. I was like, damn it, I'm not gonna get it. And then I made the account or whatever, and then all of a sudden it was like they're just sold out, and it was like 2 o'clock in the morning or something. So I was like, god damn it, man. So it looks like Blockchair, this BCC Explorer is finally loading some info, and so mean, the fork happened. I don't know. BTC Fork Monitor is saying there's no chain split, but I don't know.
So can we just consider it an airdrop asset?
That's all I'm calling it, is an airdrop.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that's what they say it is.
It's like for me, a good term is an economic fork too. I saw that one in the that Helium thread. I thought it was a similar situation. They're just taking a snapshot. It's just a name for a snapshot, though. That's what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's. I don't know. That's amazing. That.
I know. I tried telling like people in real life that, like, hey, tomorrow, over $4 billion is going to be given away in the Bitcoin network.
No, how come you didn't tell me to buy? Like,
yeah, they're like, what the fuck is with you, Bitcoin people?
Yeah. I tried it. Yeah, I was like excited. I was trying to tell my friends, and they're like, "What?" Like, never mind, man. Just like, I'm too far down the rabbit hole now. I can't even talk to anybody about it.
Yeah. Yeah, you get to a certain point where it's like no longer easy to discuss.
Yeah.
Just say, "Yep, it's going well. Thanks."
Yep. Yes, it's going well. It's definitely entertaining. So
WikiLeaks just created a poll asking what other digital cash systems should WikiLeaks accept. And it's Monero, Zcash, Ethereum, or others. But the Ethereum is spelled wrong.
Dude, that's so funny.
We don't even care how you spell your money. We just want it.
Yeah, exactly. You can spell it however you want as long as you're buying it.
Yeah. Alts have done a complete flip, by the way. We had
totally.
we had 36 altcoins that were in the green when we started the show, and what was that? Over 70 odd that were in the negative, and we're currently sitting at about 34 in the red right now, and about 70 in the positive. So we completely flipped since the beginning of this episode.
Yeah.
Good job, Shitcoin Talk team.
Yes, thank you.
I'm just joking. We had nothing to do with this. We're literally just sitting on.
We're pumping markets. Good job.
We're watching it happen.
I'm just spewing word vomit, and tweeting shit.
Like, everything.
All right,
what was
boys.
that?
Speak for yourself. I pumped everything on Polo right now.
Sorry, Wolf.
Dude, I'm still failing to understand the lending rates on Poloniex and if who's getting airdrops and what and all this other stuff. Those rates are insane. They've been like 5% for the last, like, I don't know, a little less than a week, I would say. They've been up there for a while. It's hard saying who, because yeah, I don't know. If you're lending, because I remember Bittrex token, a lot of people didn't get it because they were in positions or whatever. So
I seen someone asked in the troll box, like, what are we holding for? And that's in an overall question. Some of these coins are down 50% in the last week. So if they recovered 50%, they're just basically breaking even where they were last week. I know myself, I was averaging down. So just because you've seen a bottom doesn't mean that's my average. I was just buying as I was going because I wanted as many altcoins as I could before this time. No real targets on a lot of these things because now we get to see what happens with the next few weeks.
yeah, it's hard to get targets and see where things go when you've got, Bitcoin forking. So you have no idea how that's going to disrupt the market, or if it is. It seems like Bitcoin is holding up very well, I would say, considering that they're trying to fork it.
Yeah, we've had some nice $80, $90 swings on Bitcoin today. Let's see this thing just line out here right at 2,700. Yep. That's when the real altcoin party will start.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah,
coin
this
took it.
Bitcoin volatility has just been insane in the last couple days.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really hard to get these big guys to come over to altcoins when they have the option to play Bitcoin like this, right?
Right.
How will BCC get its value? From the people, the same thing as everything else in Bitcoin.
Yeah.
In cryptocurrency.
I think it's the hash rate would be one, and I mean that's the main one I believe is hash rate, and if it works, I mean if nodes are crashing and stuff like that, then it's gonna get its value, but it's gonna be shit. So I'm not sure.
What do you guys think for the WikiLeaks? Probably Zeke would probably be the runner, right?
Yeah,
I
that
think
makes sense.
Monero or
Oh yeah, Monero would be great too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
true.
a lot of
Ethereum
people
doesn't really make sense.
No, not really. I thought it was weird that didn't Alpha Bay have Ethereum too? I think it was just because it was going up and it was super popular. They thought they could add it to get more money, but
Oh yeah.
so
I never really found out what Alphabet was until it was shut down.
Wait, are you just saying that to cover your tracks or something like that?
Yes.
That sounds like something a buyer would say. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, what the hell is that site? Can you bring it back?
Yeah.
I want to see it.
Is there a new one? Those sites are those are pretty spooky websites to go on.
Yeah, man, I'd be
It's
too
like-
scared to go log on to those sites for my own sake, my keys, everything.
Yeah.
But actually, obviously, WikiLeaks should be taking like Dogecoin. I don't know, or everything.
Yeah,
Like,
they should just have a Shapeshift account and just let us deposit
Actually,
Dogecoin in there.
You could just send. Can't you send Bitcoin through that service anyway, like that? Or they have to actually?
I don't know. I'm sure you can actually. That would make the most sense.
Yeah.
I've never actually used Shapeshift. Have any of you? I remember the fees were outrageous in the beginning.
I have used it. Yeah, it's like just no liquidity. So, I mean, you got to be careful about what you trade and how much you trade. Like, I don't know, they could really overcharge you. I think it's really cool though.
Right, so, World Crypto Network is live as well. They have
World
2,000
Crypto
viewers.
Network.
Yeah, that's
nice.
Tone Base and shit.
Nice. Oh yeah. Didn't Max Kaiser say they were the best talk show ever? I saw a tweet of that, and then someone mentioned. I think Not So Fast said, "You better watch Shitcoin Talk." Like, please. This is by far the most amount of viewers we've had. So, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it.
Good morning.
Yeah. Good morning. Right here from Shitcoin Talk headquarters.
Yeah, and I'm getting off because my notebook's dying, so I'll get back
All
to
right.
work, I guess.
Yes, get back to work, man.
Yeah,
Cheers,
happy
Ambroid.
Fourth,
Thanks for
guys.
joining us.
Yeah, thanks, man. See ya. Yeah, I thought a few people might pop in and see what we're up to. I don't know.
Another one I seen. Startail just mentioned it in the troll box here. Ethereum and ETC back to 10-1.
Wow. Hey,
well, that's something that I've been kind of watching a little bit.
The last 3 block times on Bitcoin have been 1 minute.
That's unusual, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm on blockchain info. I wonder. Yeah, it says 54, 55, and 56 have been in the last 3 minutes. I don't know what's going on. I'm getting scared.
It'll be okay. It'll be okay, dumb.
Thank you. All right, I'm not scared anymore.
Oh, we lost Digi.
Oh man. Just waiting for a market to open up. I just want to see what It's see the airdrops are weird on Bittrex. Because if they airdrop it to your account and they have a market, there's no one's sending money around, so you're not like, wait, you can just dump. I mean, when they open up that market and you've already got your coins on the exchange, that makes it pretty easy to
yeah, that's what I'm saying though. It's almost a better thing if it does get added to a site, with a lot of liquidity and stuff, and people are already buying and selling on that site. Because if you just open it up on a random side site, all you'll be getting on there is a shit ton of.
But see, that would have been the test if I mean, yeah, I wonder how many people are going to be sending BCC. And so yeah, and I was also wondering about like the difficulty adjustments and stuff like that. If they're going to have a hard time mining the first block, even, is kind of what I was thinking. If their difficulty is just the same as Bitcoin's in the beginning, I wonder if that would play any part in.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Nope, I don't either. This all just happened really fast.
Yeah.
But look at those alts.
Yeah, no shit.
Yeah, no, I'm just floored by this every time I look at it. Every 5 minutes. Another row of 6 goes in the green.
Yep.
Yeah, you can tell people clearly found their balance. They got their BCC, and that BTC is being spent faster than you can imagine. Another coin just on the side there that I'm looking at is that Expanse coin. They're one of the ones that doesn't have a coin under it, right? With like Ubic and
right, yep.
ETH and all that, yeah. And
it's
now they actually, yeah, now they actually have a coin where you have to hold some Expanse to get in on this coin that's coming out.
Right.
So they finally gave themselves a use case for it. So I know when it dipped there, I was heavy buying it. I'm a fan of this coin, that's for sure. But,
yeah, that's just your old Ethereum class or Ethereum fork.
Yeah, and they're doing with the token lab that's coming out. They'll be doing the crowd sale, but you need to have Expanse to be able to do that. So I don't like talking about ICOs, so don't go buying the ICO just to set it.
Yeah, it's hard. It's hard for us to talk about ICOs, ongoing ICOs at least, just because if it turns out to be a scam, then there's that, and also it's free publicity for them, and they should figure that out for themselves. So, but when it hits market, that's free game. I'm
yeah, like I probably won't buy it, the ICO, so don't think I was saying that. I'm more looking at it from an Expanse point of view, giving it more use case, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of a I can't. I don't know what's going on right now. Where am I? Did it work? I mean, did Bitcoin Cash work?
Yeah,
Polo users are fucking happy right now. They've been taking a shit kicking for a month now. Markets are finally green today. God, must feel nice if you're a Polo user right now. That's for sure.
Yeah.
You only got
look at that full like so many over 10% right now.
Yeah, you only got 4 coins left in the red, and the worst one is at 1.4%.
Yep. People are definitely buying back all the coins they dumped and stuff. Damn. Yeah. I don't know. What do you guys think? You think we should wrap it up, or should we just keep on going? I mean,
yeah, I don't have a whole lot to say, but I'm just kind of watching all these numbers.
I'm sure everyone will be watching today. I mean, all the websites are pretty slow right now. So
Yeah,
see
no,
it.
if people wanted us to keep going, you could hit up the Twitter account, Shitcoin Talk, and
Yeah.
let us know if you wanted us to just sit here and go watching these prices with you guys. But
Yeah.
I think we could wind it up for now. Maybe
I mean,
like a end up or a recap of what you're looking at and stuff.
yeah. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard to like. I've been looking at alts, but it's been kind of. I've just been holding my bags really. There's a few that I kind of sold off a little bit just to get maybe like an ROI or just to maybe buy back later or something. But I've just been holding. So looking at Cryptopia, a lot of smaller caps. I've kind of just been just looking around at really small caps, like in the $10,000s, in the $15,000. So yeah, just chilling. Been kind of anticipating Bitcoin Cash, so yeah, not too much lending on Poloniex too. So
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was a good one.
that was hard to pass up. Looking at it today, I think it's paying off pretty well. So what about you? Need a coin?
Looking at Waves and ETH assets for right now. That's basically my main concern. I'm obviously buying some low hanging fruit on Topian whatsoever, but bags are pretty much packed now. Like I said, a lot of ETH and Waves assets. Kind of curious to see where Bitcoin sits. I think the next few days will, really tell where the story is going to go here. I won't be doing too much from a market standpoint today. More or less just viewing.
Yeah,
because I think that we need to let some of the smoke settle before. There's
agree.
been a lot of coins. I don't know if you guys noticed, but there's a lot of news there for quite a while. We had every day basically a coin was giving out some news, and for the last couple of weeks, we haven't really had many updates from a lot of coins. I figure a lot of coins are just waiting for this to pass over, right?
Yeah.
You don't want to kind of get your news kind of devoured and all the fun and stuff. So I expect a lot of news over the next week or so on a lot of these altcoins. They've had a lot of time to do stuff while everyone's been sitting back, not focused. So
Oh yeah.
wait for that. And yeah, we'll see, I guess, probably in a few days where we're going to go from there.
Nice.
How about you, Wood?
Yeah,
I'm kind of thinking back. My mind's kind of thinking back through the show, right? Or what we were just watching, and kind of at the beginning, I think Bitcoin was higher, and alts were lower. That was kind of what we were hoping or watching for. So
Right.
that happened, and I'm interested. Like Nita Coin said, I think the next few days will kind of really be interesting to see how this might play out. So I don't have any specific plans, but from a historical standpoint, first it's these big ones and then the smaller ones follow. So that's usually where you'll find me anyway, is in the smaller cap coins.
Do you guys have predictions on Bitcoin Cash prices or anything like that? Or 10%? I know Nita Coin said. Are you guys interested in buying? If at a certain point, if you think there's a chance.
So my favorite thing to do with airdrop coins essentially is take at least some part of them and try to just flip them around, right? So I'm sure I'll take some portion of my Bitcoin Cash that I might receive and just see if I can grow its value on its own just for fun. That's one of my favorite things to do with free money.
I was thinking the same thing. Maybe take a quarter of what I have and try to make it into half of what I have, or something along those lines too. I think I don't know. I think it's too big to ignore. I feel like there's a lot of people that are, very vocal about it. Roger Ver, and I don't think they're gonna let it die without a fight.
Yeah. So for me, like I've said, the 10% area for me was kind of a pegged area. That I think so. 10% of the price of Bitcoin is kind of where I see it sitting. For buying standpoint, if I was buying it, sub $1 billion market cap would be where I would be looking. So for me, the price would be slightly inflated, well, quite a bit inflated, but I would be waiting for a dip. I do expect a lot of panic just because that is a shit fuck ton of free money. And people have handled, myself included, airdrops horribly in the past, from NEM to
Oh
to
yeah,
Decred.
Decred was one of the worst. And
I can't even think right now, but there's so many
Ethereum
airdrops
Classic,
that
a
have
lot of-
handled wrong. Yeah, Ethereum Classic. So I think on an overall, you shouldn't be too excited. You know, I like Wood strategy, kind of play some, flip it, and then kind of see where the rest goes.
Yeah, kind of have fun with it, I suppose. Yeah.
But yeah, under $1 billion market cap would be where I'd be looking if I was to be putting in some buys.
Yeah. Did you know that those guys have? I mean, they have big hands. You know, they've got money. They got Bitcoin.
Yeah, Roger Ver's not poor. Like, you know,
No.
like for everyone who like is new and just sees like people shitting on him on Twitter and stuff lately, like
Definitely
he's not broke. He's got a lot of fucking money. He was, you know, they called him Bitcoin Jesus for a while for a reason, right? So
yeah. So and you know, with
he ain't going down quiet.
and all these mining facilities that are going to start, you know, it'll be interesting to see. I need to find a website that has like the hash power, you know, kind of divided. It's easy to see. I'm sure there will be a website like that soon.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm looking for the hash rate. I'm looking for the hash rate to maybe give me an idea of prices, whether the hash rate is lower than the, you know, X percent, and you know Bitcoin Cash is trading higher, maybe sell it and buy back. I don't know. Well, it's all going to be crazy.
I bet we'll see some really some interesting charts coming out.
Yeah. So yeah, I don't know if markets get crazy. I don't know if you guys are down. Maybe later we'll do a little recap or whatever. I don't know. I'm home all day looking at this stuff. So
cool. Yeah, I should be around.
Yeah, we can figure something out.
Maybe if we can get some of the East Coast guys that are at work right now or something. So
yeah, if like I said before, if any of you guys have suggestions, people in the troll box listen to this live, or you guys catch us later, make sure you hit up the Twitter handle and
yeah,
just kind of let us know, kind of, you know, what you thought, what you're thinking.
And I'll set a tweet out if we decide to do another. I think it'd be when market opens, kind of maybe later tonight. That would be maybe a little 30-minute episode or something. So we'll be back soon.
We got you boys through this part.
Yeah, exactly. We didn't know what the hell was going on either. So
we just held hands.
That was cool.
Yep. Yeah, thanks guys for coming on so early. I appreciate that. Check out Chain Dynamics at Chain Dynamics, Blockchain Dynamics. Good show.
Thanks.
Subscribe to the channel, Twitter, all that stuff. Get updates. That's about it. Anything else?
We got a tip bar. Keep it healthy. It's basically the Vertha OG bar, but you keep that healthy, keep shows going.
Yep. Yeah, that's about it. Shitcoin talk. See ya.
Peace.
Bye-bye.